If you want to add auto captions in CapCut quickly and easily, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to generate captions automatically inside CapCut PC, so you can save time and make your videos easier to watch and follow. Auto captions are great for tutorials, short-form videos, talking head content, and any video where you want your message to be clearer and more accessible. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow and I appreciate it a lot. Now, let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure your video is already imported and placed on the timeline because CapCut needs your audio in the project before it can generate captions. Once your project is open, look at the top panel and click on Captions. This is where CapCut keeps all of its caption and subtitle tools. After that, go to the left menu and select Auto Captions. This option tells CapCut that you want the software to listen to the audio in your video and create subtitles automatically for you. Next, choose the language of the audio. This step is very important because CapCut needs to know what language your video is in so it can detect the words correctly. If your audio is in English, select English. If it's another language, choose the matching one from the list. After that, click Generate. CapCut will now begin processing your audio and turning it into captions. Depending on the length of your video, this may take a few moments, so just wait while CapCut creates the subtitles for you. Once the captions are ready, you'll see them appear on your timeline and in your preview window. From there, you can review them, make any corrections if needed, and style them to match your video. And that's it. You've now added auto captions in CapCut using the built-in caption generator. This is one of the fastest ways to make your videos look more professional and improve viewer engagement. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.